Step into your channel once again. All my dear friends and well wishers. Sequences and series, very interesting problem. Now we are going to start, which also falls under high school students and Olympiads, IIT JEE Foundation, mains, etc. The sum of first two n terms of an AP 258 so on is equal to the sum of first n terms of AP 57, 59, 61 so on, then n is equal to. So they have given first two n terms of AP and sum of first n terms of an AP. They are equal given, is equal to, then n takes which value? So 5, 8, 11 and 10, that we have to go through it now. So let us go through the solution with the two given arithmetic progressions. So nothing but given APs are, we are going to write given APs are. First one is nothing but 2, 5, 8 so on. So for this A is equal to 2 the first term and D is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So implies D is equal to 3. For the first given arithmetic progression 2, 5, 8 so on, the first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. In the same way, similarly we are going to consider second arithmetic progression. Also given that 57 comma 59 comma 61 comma so on implies the first term A is 57 and D is 59 minus 57 gives you 2. Finally D value is 2. Okay. So now the sum of first two n terms of this AP is equal to sum of first n terms of an AP. Then we have to consider the value of n. That is, according to our given data, S2n is equal to Sn, then n is equal to, we have to determine first two n terms, nothing but n is equal to 2n here. So now I can write here 2n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus, here n is nothing but 2n. So 2n minus 1, n is nothing but here 2n, and 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n is 2n here. So 2n again 2n. So 2n to get cancelled. So from this we have to deduct the values of value of n. n into 2a. 2 into the first term of this one is 2 plus n minus 1, 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1 into d is our 3 here, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a. So 2 into a is 57 plus n minus 1 into d is our, here it is 2. So next, to continue this one, n shifting this side means becomes division, n and n get cancelled here. Only since it is a simplification part, we will do the direct steps here. So 4 plus 6n minus 3 multiplying with 3 is equal to, and here you have by 2 cross multiplying, you are going to get into 2 here. So this is 114 plus 2n minus 2 again multiplying with 2. So 2 of, considering the like term, 6n plus 1 is equal to 112 plus 2n. So now I can write 12n plus 2 is equal to 112 plus 2n. Now considering the like terms here, the variables LHS and the constants to RHS. So 12n minus 2n is equal to 112 minus 2. So 10n is equal to here 110. So n is equal to, I am going to get 110 by 10. So purely this is a linear equation, one variable direct steps, so that I am going to get now n is equal to 11. So what does n is equal to 11 represents here? So number of terms of the given arithmetic progression for the two given arithmetic progressions. Okay, for 11 terms, S2n is equal to Sn. So nothing but this is our C option, and this is A is equal to 2 and this is D is equal to 3, and this is A is equal to 57 and this one D is equal to 2. Okay, so in this way we can go through all the various different Olympiad problems. Okay, once you have the look. So these problems are very important for Olympiads, IIT JEE mains, and for high school level students, and those are key, seeking for the competitive examinations for the jobs. Okay. Thank you. Signing out. This is your Santosh Square Maths YouTube channel.